Hey guys, today we're gonna do a lip swatch and we are gonna try on the Smoking Mirrors brand from the 99-cent store, and it looks like this. It has the SM logo and this one is called Adorable. It is claimed to be non-smudge formula, velvet texture, smooth color. So let's open this package up. It's brand new. It's Smoking Mirrors and it's only 99-cent store, and let's see how that looks on my lips. Okay, so I took it out of the box and it looks like this. And as you can see, it says Smoke and Mirrors and it says Ultra Matte Lip Gloss. So let's try it on. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. I love it. It feels really smooth. And actually I really like this color. It's called Adorable. And it looks really nice, and I have to say that this is a good quality for $1. Definitely recommend it. So pick one up at your 99-cent store if they have it. It's called Adorable Matte Lip Gloss. Now let's try on the next lip gloss. Okay, so the next color we're gonna try on, it's called Crush, and it looks like this, the little box by Smoking Mirrors SM, and it also claims non-smudge formula, velvet texture, smooth color. So let's open this box and let's try it on. Okay, so I opened the box and took the plastic off. It looks like this, and it looks like that, Smoking Mirrors, and we're gonna try it on. Smooth, feels smooth. It doesn't stink. I'm trying to be careful because it is dark. I need to fix the top of my cupids. Let's see if I go like that. I think I put more on my left side. Can you guys see that? So I'm gonna try to take that off. See if I can fix that. And it looks like this, and I freaking love this color. It is pretty, and I definitely recommend this lipstick, guys. So if you guys ever have a chance, go to the 99-cent store and pick Smoking Mirrors lipsticks. And these are the two. Adorable, it was the first, and this one's Crush. Thanks guys for watching this video, and bye.